Why didn't this one fly? Oh look! They totally don't want that one to get any food.
Get away from my food.
Really protective, aren't they? They're really protective over what's theirs. It's really funny.
Em, are you enjoying it?
Totally.
This one going.
Ah, look, Jonathan.
Is
Two
it
little
weeing?
wee. Look at them have a little wee. He's so happy. Did a little shake. Did you see the shake?
Look at that one up there.
I want to see that. Have you got it recorded?
Yeah.
They just eat and wee.
Oh, watch out. He's going for some
coming
food.
Back. She's coming back. They're not happy with you eating their stuff, are they? No. This is a